MG RX5 SUV spotted testing in India. Chinese firm SAIC-owned British automaker MG Motor is all set to enter the Indian market in 2019. Now TeamBHP has spotted the MG RX5 SUV being tested on Indian roads. The MG RX5 was spotted in Pune and the SUV is finished in camouflaged livery. The RX5 SUV is sold under the MG brand in the Middle East market and retailed under the Review brand in the Chinese market. The spotted RX5 SUV is a left-hand drive model, which suggests the SUV has been imported to India for testing and research and development purpose. The images suggest that the spotted SUV is based on the 2018 MG RX5 as it features a tweaked front fascia. The updated model comes with a V-shaped grille, sleek headlamps and C-shaped LED daytime running lights. The rear end of the MG RX5 features a raked windshield, rear wiper, horizontally staked LED tail lamp, roof rails and roof-mounted spoiler. The SUV is equipped with dual-tone alloy wheels. As reported earlier, MG Motors is planning to launch an SUV in India and the MG RX5 could be the one coming to the country. In the global market, the MG RX5 is offered with two petrol engine options, a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 2-liter four-cylinder unit. The 1.5-liter engine produces 166 bhp and 250 Nm of torque, and the bigger 2-liter unit churns out 217 bhp and 350 Nm of torque. The transmission option includes a 7-speed or a 6-speed automatic gearbox, and top spec model also gets an all-wheel drive system. If the MG RX5 is launched in India, the SUV will be manufactured at GM's Halol plant in Gujarat, which was acquired by the MG Motors. Thoughts on the MG RX5 SUV? The MG RX5 is a premium SUV from the MG Motors, which could be launched in the Indian market in 2019. With the growing utility vehicle segment in the country, MG Motors could introduce the SUV before the hatchback and the sedan. If launched in India, the MG RX5 could reveal the likes of Jeep Compass, Hyundai Creta, and even the Mahindra SUV 500.